The sun beat down upon the cracked earth, baking the dry soil and stagnant air. In this desolate landscape, a tiny, yet fiery, red fire ant named Anton scurried about with an air of importance. His antennae twitched with every step, as if beckoning the world to take notice of his very presence. Anton was a force to be reckoned with, always on the move, never stopping to smell the roses, or in this case, the sweet nectar of the nearby flowers. As he marched along, his compound eyes scanned the horizon, searching for the next great adventure. And then he saw them. A group of black bullet ants, their shiny exoskeletons glistening in the sunlight. Anton's curiosity was piqued, and he hastened in his pace, eager to introduce himself to these mysterious strangers. The black bullet ants, led by the wise and aged ant Onyx, stood their ground, unfazed by Anton's hurried approach. Onyx, with her years of experience and knowledge, gazed at Anton with a discerning eye. Taking in the young ant's brazen demeanor, the air was thick with tension as the two ants from different worlds met, their conversations a series of clicks, chirps, and chemical signals. Anton, never one to be shy, initiated the conversation, boasting about how his colony's grand accomplishments were so divine and how his own impressive foraging skills were unmatched. Onyx listened intently, her antennae twitching with amusement, as Anton's words trumbled forth like a runaway train. When Anton finally paused to catch his breath, Onyx responded with a measured yet gentle tone. "Little one, your passion is admirable. But tell me, have you ever stopped to consider the wisdom of the ages?" Anton's pace slowed, his confidence wavering. As Onyx's world struck a chord, the black bullet ant continued. "We have lived for centuries, seen civilizations rise and fall, and learned that true strength lies not in haste, but in patience, persistence, and community. Your zeal is commendable, but do not forget the value of stillness and the power of collective effort." Anton's impressive nature was taken aback by Onyx's wise advice. For the first time, he felt a pang of self-doubt, his usual confidence wavering. As he looked at Onyx and the other black bullet ants, he began to see the world from a different perspective, one of cooperation, mutual support, and the beauty of slowing down and appreciating the journey. The encounter was a turning point for Anton, a lesson in humility that he would carry with him for the rest of his days. Though his fire still burned bright, it was now tempered by a newfound understanding, a deep recognition that even the smallest of creatures can benefit from the wisdom of those who have come before. As Anton scurried away, he felt a sense of gratitude towards Onyx and the black bullet ants, who had taught him that sometimes the greatest strength lies not in speed, but in gentle, persistent power of wisdom.